Years ago, the wife and I bought this trailer as a chicken tractor, and that's exactly what we used it for. We used it for years. We'd load it up with chickens and move them around the farm and let them work in different areas and help improve the soil, and it worked out great. Well, we're not doing laying chickens anymore, so we don't need it. We're getting ready to do pasture pigs, so we need a livestock trailer. So let me get this thing cleaned up and converted back to a livestock trailer. Before I get started here, I just wanted to do another quick walk around on the trailer. Give you guys better idea of the scope of the project. I don't know what it was originally designed for. Like I said, we had bought it at an auction, and we had planned to use it as a chicken tractor. And well, that's what we used it for years. And you'll see here inside, what's that say if they're flying something or other? Flying something or other. Anyway, this is the inside of it. I don't know how well the camera is going to do in here, but you can see where we had modified it for chickens. And there's their little, I don't know what they're called. And we bought that at an auction too. And they'd go up in there and lay eggs, and we'd go in and get the eggs out. We had to put this in here. We put some chicken wire in here. Because we have coyotes out here, and the chickens would jump out and the coyotes would eat them. So we put that up in there so at night we'd keep them in. We had some roosts that I just put up in here temporarily. And it actually worked out really well. What it allowed us to do is just move it around the farm. And then they'd chew up an area and poop all over an area, and then we'd move it to another area. And there's a little door. I already threw the, had a little ramp down here. I already threw that away. But first things first I want to do is I want to get rid of this wood off the side. It's rotted and shot, so I want to get rid of it and get some air in there, because I have to get in there and clean it out. And to be perfectly honest with you, I don't want to do it in a closed environment. So more fresh air. So let's get to work. that's gonna about do it for this video. The only thing I wanted to do here on this video is to get it sorta clean. I'm not gonna do a deep clean on this. I mean, let's face it, on the inside I'll be putting pigs in there, and pigs, well, they don't know enough to tell you to pull over to go to the bathroom, so. Anyway, I got it fairly clean. The next episode, the next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the mechanical. I'm gonna work on the repair. I wanna make sure it's safe and sound. I'm gonna pull the tires off. I'm gonna check the bearings, check the brakes, and get the lights working. So that's gonna be the next video. The video after that will be paint prep. And I don't know if I'll do paint in the same one. I'm leaning a couple of different ways on the paint on this. What I would like to do is I use the Magic paint, the farm implement paint on a bunch of stuff. I've used it on a bunch of stuff. So I'm thinking about using it or the Rust-Oleum farm implement paint. Haven't decided yet. Or I may just go get a case of Rust-Oleum spray cans and just rattle can the whole thing. No matter what I do, it's gonna look better than it does now. I mean, the red was painted on with the brush as far as I can tell. Anyway, this is not gonna be a perfect trailer when I'm done with it, but it's gonna be better. Okay? Thanks for watching.